All right, my darlings, let's talk about something super sexy, your arteries. That's right, those little tubes running through your body that keep you alive. I mean, who wouldn't want to know how to keep those babies clean, right? So, sit tight, because I'm about to show you 10 foods that secretly clean your arteries. First off, we've got the good old avocado. This creamy green delight is like a little plumber for your arteries, packed with healthy fats that lower bad cholesterol. So, next time someone calls you basic for loving avocado toast, just remember, you're basic and heart healthy. Next up, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever kind of berries you fancy. They're all full of antioxidants that reduce inflammation and keep your arteries squeaky clean. So, go ahead, sprinkle them on your cereal, your yogurt, or just eat them by the handful. No judgment here. Oh, and let's not forget about fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These fishy friends are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which not only lower bad cholesterol but also raise the good stuff. So don't be coy about it, dive into some fatty fish. Now let's talk nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, whatever tickles your nutty fancy. These crunchy delights are rich in fiber, vitamins and good fats. Just a handful a day keeps the cardiologist away, or something like that. Garlic, anyone? Yes, it might make your breath smell like you've been warding off vampires, but garlic is a powerhouse for your arteries. It's got allicin, which helps lower blood pressure and keeps those arteries flexible. Plus, it's great for scaring away annoying people, so win-win. Moving on, we have olive oil. Swap your usual cooking oil for this liquid gold, and your arteries will thank you. It's full of monounsaturated fats that reduce inflammation and lower bad cholesterol. Drizzle it on everything, salads, veggies, even your morning toast if you're feeling fancy. Whole grains are next on our list. Think oats, quinoa, brown rice. These grains are chock full of fiber that helps reduce cholesterol buildup. So, next time you're at the grocery store, go for the whole grains and give the white stuff a pass. Trust me, your arteries will give you a standing ovation. Now, don't roll your eyes, but leafy greens like spinach and kale are artery superheroes. They're loaded with nitrates that help widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. So yes, eat your greens, or you'll hear me nagging in your head. Let's talk about tomatoes. These juicy red gems are packed with lycopene, an antioxidant that keeps your arteries smooth and prevents plaque buildup. So add them to your salads, sauces, or just eat them like apples. Go on, live a little. Finally, we have dark chocolate. Yes, you heard me right. This decadent treat is rich in flavonoids that improve blood flow and keep your arteries healthy. So don't feel guilty indulging in a piece, or 3. You're practically doing cardio. I'm joking, my darling. So there you have it, folks. 10 foods that secretly clean your arteries. Remember, a happy heart is a happy life. Now go forth and eat your way to cleaner arteries. Cheers.